So this is the 2018 exam paper. So you have two people travel 6 kilometers in a taxi. There is a charge of €1.50 per person and €1.20 for each kilometre travelled. Work out the total cost of the taxi. Well, you know that you've two people. So we're going to do 2 multiplied by 150. Okay, and that's €3. You can use your calculator if you're not sure. Then you have 6 kilometres and that's €1.20 per kilometre. Okay, so 6 times 120 is €7.20. Okay, you can use your calculator, put that into your calculator. So these are the two sums, so we need to now add them together. So we have €3 add €7.20, so that's €10.20 in total. And I just fill it in to my answer box. Now you need to make sure that you show all your work in, because you get marks for showing what method you followed and marks for your answer. So even if you get it wrong, you get marks for your answer. Okay, so I know that 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Now I'm trying to find how many inches are there in 120 centimeters. Okay, so what I'm trying to do then is I'm going to divide. So it's going to be 120 divided by 2.5. So when I put that into my calculator, turn it on to 120 divided by 2.5, you get 48. So the answer there is 48. Okay, so that's 48 inches. Okay, there are marks going in your exam for your units, so make sure that you include that. Okay, so part C, a train leaves Cork at 8:30 and arrives in Belfast at 15:10. Work out the total length of time. Well, you know you're trying to find the difference, so you write down 15:10, which is the arrival time, take away 8:30, which is what time they left at. And in your calculator, remember there's a function for time, so 15 degrees, that's 15 hours, 10 minutes, take away 8 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, so just remember it's that button right here, that's for time. Okay, press equals, and that reads 6:40, so that's 6 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, for the next one then, so write down the weight shown on the scale on the right. So you can see these are all going up in 0.5s. Okay, so this must be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1, 1.1, 1.2. And that's in kilograms. Okay, work out your answer to 2.1 cubed. Well, you just put 2.1 to be cubed, so I just press that button there for cubed. Okay, put into your calculator, press equals. It's asking you to write it to 1 decimal place. So to 1 decimal place, 9.261 is just going to be 9.3. Okay, so 9.261 is just 9.3. Okay, because remember the next digit is 6, so 5 or more rounded up. The total on a motorway, or the toll, sorry, on a motorway is €1.80. John paid the exact amount of the toll using 4 coins. So write down the 4 coins that John could have used. Well, he could have used a €1, so just try them out. A 50 cent, and then a 20 cent, and a 10 cent. Okay, so €1, 50 cent, 20 cent, and 10 cent. Okay, you could have tried different combinations, and if they don't work, just try another one. That's what the space is there for. Okay, for part G, a shop sells apples for 50 cent each with a special offer of 6 apples for $2.50. So Aisling buys 10 apples. Work out the total cost of the 10 apples. Well, she can buy 6 apples for €2.50. Okay, so it means that she needs 4 apples left, but you have to buy them individually. So 4 apples then, so 4 times 50 cent, so that's €2. So I then need to add them together, and that's €4.50. Okay, you can just put that in the box here. Okay, for part H, add together 4 kilometers, 6 meters, and 400 centimeters. Give your answer in meters. Okay, so 4 kilometers, there's 1,000 meters in the kilometer, so that's 4,000 meters. Okay, so that's for 4 kilometers. Okay, 6 meters, you don't need to change it, and then 400 centimeters. Okay, so you want to change it to meters, so 400 centimeters divided by 100 gives you 4 meters, because there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So then you just need to add them together. So 4,000 plus 6 plus 4, put that into your calculator, and you will get 4,010 meters. Okay, for I then, work out the total cost of a holiday for 1 adult and 1 child using the special offer. So you know that 1 adult is 880. That's for your adult. And the child gets a 50% discount. So 850 multiplied by 50%. So just do 880 multiplied by 50%. Price equals, and I get 440. So that's €440. That's for a child. So all I need to do now is add them together. So 880 add 440. 1,320. Okay, and you can see I've shown all my work for this question. Okay, for J then, €1 is $1.17, which is worth more, €300 or $300? Well, the best thing to do is just to change the $300 to see how much that is in euro, and then you can compare them. So if you divide $300 by $1.17, so 300 divided by $1.17, and that gives you 256.41. So 256.41. Okay, so that means that $300 is 256.41. So it's asking you which is worth more. Well, it's going to be the €300 because that's more money, and you've just shown your work in there.